Happy Monday, CNG 132. Let's see. There were a few discussion posts posted yesterday that I didn't get a chance to read. Let's make sure we're getting those initial posts um, in Saturday before midnight. That's the only thing I can give feedback for the discussions for this week. Just make sure we're punching those in before midnight. Make sure you get back to two people before tomorrow night, before midnight, because that's when our week actually ends for this course. At that time, you should be turning in your project within the activities in assignments. That's now the Dropbox. Assignments is now the Dropbox, so make sure you get your project in there. Let's see, lab simulations. Remember on the lab simulations that you can select that tab that says Show Me. That'll actually help you progress through the lab simulation. When you're submitting project 1 and 2, make sure to not do a zip. And introduce the reason for a zip is because I have to actually download it to my computer. I'm usually off campus during the summer. Well, I'm usually off campus when I grade anyhow. So I don't like to download stuff on my computer. It kind of goes hand in hand with this class when we look at security. In case there is a virus, don't like to download a zip. When you submit pictures, PNG photos, I'm able to open up the photo itself right on D2L and take a look at it there. Let's see, lab simulations, project discussions. I haven't found a topic in the news yet that we're going to kind of follow throughout the semester. If you have any ideas to throw in there, feel free to email myself or just make your own discussion and say discussion for summer 2018. If you find something interesting, we can definitely look into that and evaluate what's going on and follow it as the semester progresses. Things to prepare in week 2. Week 2 we only covered one chapter, so it's kind of a break. We covered chapter 3, but I won't get into that completely. Just kind of a foreword. Starting Wednesday, we'll just look at one chapter for that week. So good work so far. It looks great. It looks how it's supposed to. The Dropbox activities. Definitely submit everything you have. I see people are still working on their Dropboxes. Come Tuesday night, make sure to submit everything you have. If you had a problem, definitely comment in that little comment area where the Dropbox is. Mr. Lemos, I had this problem here. I can definitely help you, give you feedback on how to work around that. You should have access to DreamSpark. I saw people accessing DreamSpark. Make sure to download the Workstation 14 and the Windows 10 ISO. I know the book had you set up VirtualBox. Feel free to keep using that, but I would prefer that you probably start getting experience on Workstation. The more platforms you have, knowledge of virtualization, the better off you are. I can also troubleshoot either one, so feel free to use either one. But like I said, if you already have experience with Workstation, go ahead and use OracleBox. If you have OracleBox a background, go ahead and use Workstation. And I believe that's it for the checkup. Good work so far. Let's keep up the pace, and week 1 is almost done.